Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I come to you to discuss a very important matter. In a sting operation that we have carried out today, a top cabinet minister in Maharashtra has said that I will be fixed in the fake TRP scam. I repeat, he has said that I will be fixed in the fake TRP scam. He says that I will be trapped. I repeat, Arnab फंस जाएगा, Arnab को फंसाया जाएगा. I will be trapped. Presumably with false evidence, fabrication, etc. But not just this. This cabinet minister has also said that it is very likely that after all this, after I'm fixed, after I'm trapped, that I will kill myself. Yes, let me repeat it, ladies and gentlemen. It is now the official position of the Maharashtra government that they will encircle me with a litany of false cases, attack me, create a set of circumstances that will compel me, in their view, to commit suicide. And viewers, this comes after a top Congress leader in the Congress party headquarters in Maharashtra has also said on record that a team has been formed to somehow fix the Republic Media Network, to fix me. And the same words were used in that sting operation too, that I will be fixed. मैं फंस जाऊंगा. My dear viewers, this network, me personally, my career and my life are not in the hands of these evil people. I am the proud son of an army officer. I come from a distinguished family of freedom fighters, people who have lived and died for the country. We are not the kind who kill themselves when dirty conspiracies are made against us. We will not commit suicide, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. Parambir, I will not commit suicide. I know your friends are trying very hard, but they will not be able to create a series of circumstances that will commit me or compel me to commit suicide. And in any case, I want to ask today, how come you people know so much about suicide? I know some people have told you that these circumstances you are creating around me will force me to commit suicide, which is why you're saying so confidently. But let me tell you this today. Nawab Malik, Uddhav Thackeray and Parambir, hear me. Lies will commit suicide, not me. Conspiracy will commit suicide, not me. The fraud case you have filed against us will commit suicide, not me. Your falsehoods will commit suicide, not me. And to Lutyens, the Lutyens plot against me will commit suicide, not me. Now let me make a prophetic remark. For when you are with the truth, you know the future. And the future is only that the truth wins. This has been my only philosophy in life. We will take the hits in the short term to stand by the truth, in the firm belief that on the other side of the mountain is a world where only the truth wins. And we've seen on the other side, the truth is going to win. I'm placing this in the public domain today so that all and everyone, the courts, the governments, the right-thinking people of this country, and even my friends in Lutyens who take so much pride in the fact that they can all come together against me, that you all realize today, beware when the truth wins. I owe none of the people who are trying to encircle us anything in life. So we are fighting and we will win. But I say to them again, Parambir, beware when the truth will win. I call this in simple terms a criminal conspiracy against Republic, fabrication of evidence against Republic. And you decide, viewers, whether this is abetment to suicide or attempt at homicide. Whether I should charge them with attempt to murder or abetment to suicide. So I place this on record today, viewers, and let me tell everyone, including Lutyens, this country has changed. In another time, another world, you might have been able to force a journalist who didn't agree with you to commit suicide. But this is 2020. This is me. This is our time. This is our country. This is our network. We will win. You beware when we win.